One shot. When I take a photo, I capture that moment my own way. My point of view is unique, sometimes hard to understand. I see more of life through a lens. I enjoy noticing the little things around me. I love holding on to the memories. No matter how enjoyable or miserable it was, the laughs, the jokes, the love, the tears and the heartbreaks, and even the rage, that's why I adore pressing one button to savor so many precious moments, so I can look back and appreciate each unique moment, holding on to them forever.